Hello guys, welcome to our tutorial of PostgreSQL. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about the left and the right outer join. So what happens in case of an outer join? So first of all, let's discuss about outer join. So PostgreSQL or any SQL, it basically supports three types of outer join. So they are nothing but an extension of the inner join only. So the three types of outer join that the SQL supports is the left, right, and the full outer join. So in case of left outer join, what happens that an inner join is performed first of all. The inner join that we learned about in the previous tutorial. So if you did not watch it, you should watch it first and then watch this tutorial. So in the last tutorial, what happens is that in an outer join, first of all, an inner join is conducted. Then, as we discussed in an inner join, the rows that match the columns that have the same value in both the tables, they get combined with each other. So that was the purpose of the inner join. So in outer join, what happens is that first of all, the inner join is conducted and the values that do not match are replaced by the null values. So let me tell you by an example. Like suppose I have the company table and I have the department table. So in the last tutorial we learned that we had only one value, that is the 2, that matched with the department table, that was engineering. So what would happen in case of left outer join, that if I left outer join company with the department table, then these values would be complete, like these values would be complete, and the value that won't match in the department table would be filled with null values. So let me show you an demo. So no. So you could see that select name, age, address, department from company, and we would be making a left outer join, department, and the join condition, that is company dot id equal to department dot id. So as you could see now here, that the company table was left outer joined on the department table. So a very easy way to remember this is that anything that would be on the left, like the company table here is on the left, so its detail is going to be fully displayed or completely displayed, and the table that is on the right side, that is the department table, if this condition does not match at any situation, then these values would be filled by null. So left outer join means the company table that is on the left hand side is going to be the full table, and the department table would be tested for the join condition, and if it does not match, it will be filled with null values. So here, as you could see, only the number 2 condition matched, so the results are full here, and the rest of the conditions did not match, the id values did not match, so it is filled by the null values here. So this was all about the left outer join. Now you could assume what right outer join would be. In case of right outer join, you need to just replace left by right, and the whole scenario is completely interchanged. Now what happens is the table that is on the right would be fully displayed, and the table that is on the left is checked for the join condition, and if it does not match, then the company table would be empty or would be filled with null values, and the table on the right hand side would always be complete. So you could see that table on the right is fully complete and table on the left is filled with null values because the conditions did not match. So in case of outer join, we have at least one row. So this was all for the outer join. In the next tutorial, I'm going to talk about the full outer join. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe for more and stay tuned.